Coin. This is a nice little falling wedge setup that coin is having. You can probably draw another one here, right? I didn't draw it there, but you get the idea. Anyway, an inside candle here, looking pretty good as well. The break of this trend line probably will rip this up all the way to 250s again. Keep an eye out for somewhere around 215 to break the upper trend line here, which is very significant. Once that breaks and closes, you can probably pick up some swings to the upside. I will be watching this one because it is a wild move that we can see on Bitcoin once there's that break. So this is looking pretty good. Keep an eye out for the coin. When it moves, it can move about 10 to 15% that particular week. So once you see the break of the trend line, it's a good time to enter into weekly calls, get some momentum to the upside, and rip it up higher. Nice inside day on Friday. I did expect it to move higher, but the price target here is 250. That's what I'm looking for on coin.